In this video, we will review the FortiAnalyzer Release 7.2 features and highlights. New features include new and updated event handlers and Playbook enhancements, monitoring dashboard updates in FortiView and LogView, new reports and report features, new Fabric of FAS management features, and added authentication, log, and reporting capabilities. In the Secure SD-WAN monitor, a new widget has been added for SD-WAN interfaces. This widget includes source and destination IPs, latency, jitter, and packet loss. An icon has been included beside the interface, indicating when an AD VPN shortcut is established, updated, or removed. IP and remote gateway displays the local spoke IP and remote spoke IP of the shortcut VPN tunnel. In the table, analysts can filter on IP, interface, or remote gateway to fine-tune the results. Also in the Secure SD-WAN monitor, a widget has been added for Mean Opinion Score, or MOS score, for all SD-WAN managed devices. The MOS score measures the impact that the quality of the network has on the quality of a voice call. MOS has become an industry standard of measuring the voice or voice quality of a WAN link. Fortinet's Zero Trust Edge strategy assumes that all devices trying to access the network resources are potentially compromised, limiting user and device access to only specific applications with continuous verification and authorization. A new ZTNA dashboard has been added in FortiView to provide security and network operations teams with a centralized view to monitor activity for ZTNA devices, users, and policies. With overviews for users and policy violations, failed connection attempts and devices with failed posture checks, with mouse over details for size and percentage by device, user connections blocked and allowed devices and public and private cloud applications, and some details about the applications being permitted or denied, and a timeline graph for analysts to be able to track the private and public applications' access failure history. Analysts can use the information from the real-time monitor to further their investigations and dig deeper into the ZTNA events in LogView. For example, here we see the top violated policy, ZTNA R1. In LogView, filter the logs for the violated policy, and then double-click to drill down on the details about the FortiGate device, source, reason, and more. Or navigate to Incidents and Events and create an event handler to generate alerts and send notifications on particular ZTNA events.
FortiAnalyzer Indicators of Compromise view now includes FortiGate IOC-based detection logs and displays IOCs identifying the corresponding FortiGates as compromised endpoints from FortiGate local traffic logs. Here we see the FortiGate local event logs where the detect method is detected by FortiGate and the threat name is botnet, which identifies it as an IOC. Analysts can drill down further to see user info, number of events, and more. FortiAnalyzer introduces enhancements to LogView to improve NOC monitoring. Under FortiGate events, a new dashboard for all types has been added with widgets for monitoring each of the event log categories, providing security operation teams with a quick view of the latest events by level and count. This new centralized monitoring view helps analysts respond quickly to events, and each widget allows drill down on the displayed events into the log details. Analysts now have the ability to create and filter by device groups in FortiAnalyzer. Create a device group in Device Manager by using the Create New Group option. Name the group and select the devices to be included. And then click Add and OK to create the group. The new group is now displayed in the left-hand pane of the Device Manager. Navigate to LogView and see that the newly created group is available under the device selection. This allows analysts to switch to the device group for narrowing down their search. The device groups are also available to be used as filters in FortiView, event handlers, and reports. Security operation teams can also search by source objects and destination objects in LogView and FortiView, with new columns, source object and destination object, added for improved filtering in traffic logs and FortiView top sources and top destination views. Under System Settings, a new entry, FortiAnalyzer Fabric, has been added to allow admins to configure the Fabric of FAS feature. This new setting allows configuration of a FortiAnalyzer as supervisor or member roles. Configure the supervisor with cluster name, password, session port, and secure connection. Click Apply to save. Configure each member by updating the role, cluster name, IP and password of the supervisor, session port, and secure connection. The supervisor admin will have access to Device Manager, FortiSOC, System Settings, and Management extensions. Once a connection and synchronization between supervisor and members are established, the admin will see the Fabric members and can check each member's status and if they are in sync or offline. In the Device Manager, the admin also has access to all logging devices view, with information about Fabric members, ADOMs, devices and IPs, which includes new summary graphs to easily identify all Fabric member devices if they are online or offline, with critical alerts and more. In FortiSOC, all events from each member can be viewed by the supervisor with time range selection and filtering, and drill down for the full log detail. Supervisor Local Events displays the supervisor's logs for auditing. Existing and newly generated incidents raised by each member are synced to the supervisor when the member is connected, and admins can drill down for incident details. This new feature is disabled by default. Also in FortiSOC, new event handlers have been added. The ability to filter by IPS attack direction has been added. This allows admins to create filters based on inbound or outbound direction to indicate not only the source and destination of the session, but the attack direction when applicable. A new default recon activity by endpoint event handler has been added to detect suspicious reconnaissance activities, such as SSH scans in the network. This event handler is available out of box to help admins quickly detect attackers that are attempting to gather information about system and network vulnerabilities and generates alerts in the event monitor. And also several new NOC default event handler enhancements are included with updates for network and interface, HA, Dockers, switches, wireless, and FortiExtender event handlers. Under Fabric View, OAuth 2 has been added as an authentication option for FortiAnalyzer Fabric connectors, enabling the end user's account information to be used by third-party services without exposing the user's account credentials. The ServiceNow connector can now be used as a playbook action for specific types of incidents. This allows analysts to assign ServiceNow actions like post-incident change notice and associate a ServiceNow notification for incidents. New to reports, the 360 security report and web usage report have both been updated for improved understanding and insights, with improved data, new charts and visualizations, better layouts and presentations. Also, support for JSON formats has been added to reports to allow customers to more easily leverage the report for their automation. For more information, check out the release notes on the doc site. Thanks for watching.